OMS on desktop. Managing orders might sound like a big deal, but trust me, with the OMS on your desktop, it's as easy as pie. Let's take a look at how you can review, accept, reject, and ship orders effortlessly. First, to review your orders, head over to the Orders tab on the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find everything: order history, pending orders, accepted, shipped, delivered, cancelled, and even rejected ones. It's your one-stop shop for all order statuses. Ready to manage new orders? Click on the Pending tab in the header to accept or reject them. You can also use the action buttons in the Pending Orders tab for quick decisions. Now comes the exciting part: shipping your accepted orders. Navigate to the Accepted Orders tab and the Order Details page to get started. You've got 3 ways to ship your orders: self-ship, third-party courier, or ship rocket. Let's break it down. Self-ship. Perfect if you've got a local delivery person or staff member handling deliveries. Third-party courier service. Use a partner like DTDC, Delivery, or another reliable courier to get the job done. Ship rocket. This is where smart business shipping partner ShipRocket steps in with 20 plus courier companies and competitive rates. It's a breeze. When shipping with ShipRocket, here's what you need to do. First, add your package details, weight and dimensions. Next, choose a courier partner based on your requirements. And finally, confirm the order. Download the shipping label and generate a manifest. And you're good to go. But what if you need to cancel or reject an order? No problem. You can do it from the Accepted Orders page or directly from the order details. And that's it. With the OMS on your desktop, managing orders is a walk in the park. Try it out and see how much time you save. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more updates.